Hi, it's Kathy with Breathing for Health. And did you know that yawning is a wonderful way that you can release stress and even release toxins from your body? And we've all been taught that yawning in public is so rude and impolite and means that you're bored. But every mammal species yawns, and we could learn a lot from imitating our cats, our dogs, because they not only yawn, they stretch, and their whole body gets into it. So let's take a nice big yawn. And if you do a series of yawns, a sequence of yawns, as my teacher Dan Brule advises, yawning till your eyes water, we get a lot of benefits. One of them is more vasodilation, which means more blood flow. And that means blood flow into the lungs, blood flow into the extremities. And another benefit is that it calms and soothes their nervous system. It helps us to get ready for bed, but it also helps us to wake up in the morning. So I hope you'll enjoy yawning, although a lot of people still might think it's rude. So maybe you can enlighten them.